We will finish this program by saying a few words about textbooks and articles in journals. These are both secondary materials. Whereas statutes and cases are primary materials, that is, they embody the law itself, textbooks and articles explain and discuss the law. You have no doubt already become familiar with textbooks. A word of warning. It is usually very important to use only the latest edition of a textbook, because they are revised frequently to take account of developments in the law, such as new Acts of Parliament or new case law. A textbook will tell you on its cover and within the first few pages which edition it is, when it was published, and how up-to-date it is. A look at the list of contents will give you a good idea of the scope of the book. However, if you want to find some specific point of law, you should use the alphabetical subject index in the back of the book, where you will find the exact page references for the topic that you are interested in. Law textbooks usually also contain tables of the statutes and cases that are discussed or mentioned in the book. Textbooks are not intended to be used on their own. They will introduce you to a subject and discuss it, but as well as reading the textbook, you must also study the most important primary materials relating to the topic. Let's move on to another kind of secondary material: articles in journals. The number and range of legal journals is considerable. The most important for students are the academic journals like the Modern Law Review and the Criminal Law Review. There are also practitioners' journals such as the New Law Journal and the Solicitor's Journal. Typically they contain articles, book reviews, and news of legal developments. Articles in these and other journals can be traced by using the Legal Journals Index. This assembles the contents of legal journals published in the UK under appropriate headings, year by year. Brief details of the articles are provided. These enable you to trace the article in the library. The index to legal periodicals is similar, but is published in the USA and is heavily American biased. However, it does cover international journals together with most of the major UK legal journals. Let's recap. In this program we have told you how to find Acts of Parliament and law reports of cases. And we've told you about textbooks and journal articles. By using these techniques, you can find out a lot about the law you are interested in. However, you are not yet able to find out all the law that may be relevant, and you will not be able to be certain that the law you have found is absolutely up-to-date and precise. To do that, you will need to use some other kinds of legal literature and some more advanced techniques. These will be covered in the second program.